If you want your armature to follow a curve in Blender, select the curve, edit it, select all the vertices. Note the count, mine's 15. That 15 also includes the 2 handles per control point. I want to know how many control points I have, so I can do the vertices divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. I make note of that. Now I add my armature, I stretch it out, I subdivide it by the amount I've just said, that's 15 divided by 3 minus 1. 15 divided by 3 minus 1, that's 4. This will give me 5 bones for each control point. Select all of this, go to pose mode, select the last bone, go to bone constraints, and then add a Spline IK constraint. Target the curve, and then set the chain length to that amount, but not minus 1. So this would be 15 divided by 3 is 5. And there we have it. Just to make note that if you tab out, it'll go to its default pose. If you need to change that, you can select, and then you can apply pose as rest pose. Hope that helps.